this couple, they see Feng Shui. So when we design their house, we need to follow the Feng Shui advice. So it's very specific and we have no leeway to change anything. So it's up to us to design their house in a more practical manner, but also following their Feng Shui advice. In terms of design, they actually saw our smoke beige in our showroom. Because both of them, they have different tastes. One wanted a more dark look, the other wanted a more lighter look. So we had to come to a compromise in the middle. So this is where we mix the two colors, our smoke beige and live oak together. Their existing kitchen was there from the previous owner. So when they engaged us, they requested for us to demolish the existing kitchen and then redesign in a way that they can more better optimize what the space they had. So for the kitchen, they actually went for our smoke beige and live oak. So these two colors is a combo that you can see in our signature concept as well. So our showroom, in IPC showroom, we also are showcasing that concept where we mix our smoke beige and live oak. In this concept, it actually, if you play with the lighting, you can achieve a more middle tone. So for this house, we actually recommended them to use quartz because quartz is one of our most durable worktop. So we recommended the quartz, and the model that we're using is cotton polish. So in this house, we ensured that because their concept was already on the middle tone, the worktop being a light color would be a good complement to their cabinets. For their bedroom, the feng shui restriction was that they couldn't have their door facing directly at their window. We were able to design a way that they had a tall cabinet over there to put some of their bags as a glass unit, and as well as a drawer area where they can in the future put the TV and then also have storage area at the bottom. So in that way, we gave them more area for them to put their clothes, but at the same time satisfied their strict requirement for the feng shui advice. Secondly was their cabinets, their wardrobes were not allowed to be facing the bed area. So this is where we came up with the mini walk-in wardrobe concept where we did an L shape, and then just nice, the toilet has also glass around it, so we were able to maintain that there without restricting any light from going to the toilet as well. Overall, the customer was very happy because not only did we satisfy their feng shui, very strict feng shui advice that basically had no other option, either you go for it or you just we'll just find someone else to do it for us. The other thing was we managed to fit their budget. So they also had a budget that they wanted to get everything done with, and we were able to satisfy them.